What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional business card on Canva. So let's get right to it. First of all, make sure you are signed in to Canva. That's of course going to canva.com and sign in with your account. And what you want to do here is search here in like the templates for a business card template. So here in the search, go for click on it and then type in business card. Okay, hit enter. And here you can see many of the ready-made templates for business cards, all with designs, text, and so on. And if you hover over any of them, you are able to see the front and the back of the card itself. So let's scroll here and select a design that, or you should select a design, of course, that matches the type of your business or like the style of your business. So I will select something pretty simple to edit. Let's say this one. Okay, the front and the back looking good. Or this one. You have 3 pages, so it is too big for me. Okay, I'll go with this one. Click on it. And then you can see here the front and the back. Okay, let's customize this template in order to make it our own. So here, first of all, you need of course to change all the elements from the name, of course the contact details like the address, the email and the phone number, and here the company name and the logo. And if you click here on the background, you should be able to edit it, so you can rotate the background or like delete it altogether if you want to. So let's delete it. So you deleted like the pattern that was on the background, and you can also click on this solid color to edit it. So create like a business card that matches the style or the color scheme of your brand. So let's make it this color, this red. Okay, and now you want to edit your logo. So if you click on it here and go to uploads, of course you should upload your logo. Okay, so let's upload a file from our computer. Let's upload this one. Okay, an example for our logo. And now you simply need to delete the ready made logo and then drag and drop your own here, and you can edit the positioning, the size, the rotation, and everything. If you click on it, you can edit the rotation, can edit the size and everything. So let's keep it as it is. And now you can edit the name of your company. So let's type in how to simple, and here a tagline. So let's say make it simple, just like typing in anything just to show you how it is. And you can also, for any text, highlight it, double click to highlight it, edit. You can edit the font, you can edit the size, you can edit the color and everything. So let's make it this one. Okay, let's edit the color. Let's make it like this light blue. Okay, you can also in the background add a pattern. So if you click on the background and then go to element, let's say like pattern. Okay, let's add this pattern right here. And let's move it like to the corner here. Okay, let's go and in layers, send it to the back so that it's in the background, like behind your logo. And you can also edit the transparency. Okay, looking good like that. And you can duplicate it. So Control or Command D to duplicate it, to make another copy, and then add it or move it to the other corner. Okay, maybe something like that. Looking pretty good. Okay, and here you can add your name. So how to simple once again. Of course, the fields that you enter or the information that you enter may differ from one design to another. So let's make it simple. And here you can edit all your contact information. However, I'll show you also how to add a QR code. So you can add a QR code to redirect customers to your website. That would be on the front of the like business card, or you can also add on the back of the business card a new QR code that will lead them directly to the front, to like a page that has the front page. So let's add this right now. So the back, let's delete all the elements here and let's keep only the website. So that's howtosimple.com, for example. So of course you need to enter your business website, and to generate the QR codes, let's go to like the website that will generate a new or a free QR code for us. Like for example, QR code monkey, that's the one I'm using in this tutorial. And in your URL, you want to enter the URL for your business website. That's like, for example, howtosimple.com. And here you can have like additional information or additional settings like the colors, the logo or image, and customize design. So let's customize the colors right here. You can like choose the color scheme that we used in the card. So like a red here, and you can add an image or a logo. So here, upload a logo. Let's use the same logo that we used on the business card. So that's, of course, your business logo. And you can also customize the design, choose some design language and stuff like that. And I'm just satisfied with the default design. And here, let's click on create our QR code. Okay, there are some errors. Okay, so let's like enter HTTPS. Okay. And now I think it's ready to create our QR code. And here, as you can see, the QR code itself is in the accent, the red accent that we are using on the front here, and our logo is in the middle. I think it looks pretty good. And here you can simply download the PNG. Okay, wait for it to be generated and then it'll be downloaded. Okay, now it's downloaded. You can go to the business card itself, the page on Canva, go to uploads, upload a file, and then you can upload the QR code like image that we downloaded. Okay, QR code.png, and it's uploading. And once it does, just drag it and drop it right here, edit the size. Okay, put it in the middle, looking pretty good. And another thing you can do is add a new QR code that will lead the customer. So like on the back of the card here, that will open, and once the customer like scans it, it'll open a page with the front or like the main details of your card. So here, if we click on the card here and click on share, for example, you can public view link here, get a public view link. So if we copy it, or if we get it or create it, like here, create a public view link. If we copy it, okay, and let's paste it in a new tab, you can view your business card. So that's a great way to showcase your business card. So let's make a QR code for this link to put it in the back of the business card. So go again to QR code monkey. And now we can edit the URL or enter the URL here that Canva generated for us in the public view link, and generate a new QR code. Okay, and download it. And now once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and go back to Canva. Now in the back side of the business card, of course, I didn't edit like the accent colors and the patterns and stuff like that. However, you get how to do it. And now let's upload the newly generated QR code here. That's QR code 1. Okay, uploading it. And once it's uploaded, we can drag and drop it here to the back side of our card. Okay, make it larger. And that is looking pretty good. And now you can download it. You can like download or like make it online and create or generate a link for it. You can download both sides here, and if you want to print them or like put them as a banner on your website and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can create a professional looking business card on Canva.